In this video, let's discuss the basics of probability. What do we mean with probability? Probability is the chance that a given event will occur. Now, there could be no chance for the event to occur, or there could be 100% assurance that the event will occur. Now, in the case where there is no chance for the event to occur, we say that the probability is equal to 0. And in the case where there is 100% chance for the event to occur, that is, it is assured that the event will occur, we say that the probability is equal to 1. Therefore, the probability will always vary between 0 and 1. Alright, now let's see how we calculate probability. Probability is nothing but the ratio of the favorable events divided by the total events. Let's take an example to understand this. Say you are tossing a coin and you want to find the probability that you get a head. Alright, now that, as we've seen over here, is nothing but the chance that the outcome of this event, which is tossing a coin, is heads. Now, probability of getting a head is equal to the favorable events divided by the total events. Now, how many favorable events are there? There is just one favorable event, which is getting a head. And how many total events are there? There are two possibilities, right? You could either get a head or you could get a tail. So there are two possibilities, which is head and tail, and there is only one favorable event, which is getting a head, because we are trying to find out the probability of getting a head. Alright, let's take a few more examples to solidify our understanding of what we mean with probability. I keep this aside. Now, say you are rolling a dice. A dice is used to play games like Ludo, right? So this is nothing but a cube on which the numbers 1 to 6 are written on different faces, right? Now, let's find the probability of getting 3 when you roll a dice. Now, remember, probability is favorable events by total events. How many favorable events are there? There's just one favorable event, which is getting a 3, right? Because we are trying to find the probability to get a 3. And how many total events are possible? You could get the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, right? So there are 6 total events that could happen. Therefore, the probability of getting 3 is equal to 1 by 6, right? That is, this one over here is the event of getting a 3 when you roll the dice, and this 6 over here are the 6 possible events. That is, you could get 1, you could get 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So the probability to get 3 when you roll a die is 1 by 6, or you can say that the chance is 16.67%, right? If you do 1 by 6, you will get the value as 0.1667, and that is 16.67%. Alright, now let's also find the probability to get an even number. So it's the same case. We are rolling a dice and we want to find out what is the chance to get an even number. Alright, now again, probability is favorable events by total events. How many favorable events are there? There are 3 favorable events, right? And the total number of events is 6. Which are these favorable events? If you get 2, 4 or 6, right? If the outcome of rolling the die produces a 2, a 4 or a 6, you get an even number, right? So there are 3 favorable events. That's this 3 over here. And there are a total of 6 possibilities, which is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Therefore, the probability to get an even number is 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. And therefore, we can say that the chance to get an even number when you roll a die is 50%.